I'm not a young kid anymore. I'm a father of two. The process of restoring a car is like raising kids. You see how the car transform and become something better. I think that's the most fulfilling part to me. I was born and raised in Hong Kong. I moved to the United States when I was 15 years old. As a kid in Hong Kong, we watched a lot of Japanese animes, Speed Racer, Initial D, Transformer, and Macau had Grand Prix racing event every 2 years. And I remember BMW E30 was dominating. At that stage, I just fell in love with cars. I went to FIT to study graphic design and packaging design. My passion in art and design drew me into cars. I think cars are like art. Each one of them has their own personalities and purpose. I'm fortunate enough that my dad had one of my favorite cars back then, BMW E30. I still remember the experience of driving that car. It was sporty, it was special. Something about that car is always like stuck in my head. Fast forward 25 years, I saw an ad selling an E30 red, just like the one that my dad had. Right away, I made a purchase. For all my cars, I like to maintain the OEM plus elements and also the original intent. You don't really have to do much to make it better, sportier. The car will give you a lot of satisfaction. All I did was change the intake, change the computer chips to a performance version, upgrade the flywheel to lightweight version, upgrade it to a short shifter, exhaust, I changed it to super spring stainless steel exhaust, sport spring, stiffer built-in shocks, and now the car just transformed to much sportier. It basically feels like a gold car now. It's almost like a therapy for me to drive this classic, cruise around town. Could be 5–10 minutes drive during my break or 2 to 3 hours road trip. Just enjoy the road and these awesome cars. I want my friends, my family to appreciate these classic cars, and hopefully they will inspire younger generation to continue doing it. Having a young boy come up to me remind me when I was young how I admire my father's car. And I think that's the only one way to pass on that passion. Just imagine if this world only have new cars and there's no more classic car to inspire the next generation. Cars will just becoming another electronic items. As long as I can afford and have time and space to continue this hobby, I would totally continue restoring classic cars.